If cement had DNA, we're changing the DNA. This is your scratch coat. So it doesn't really matter. If it goes hard as a rock on them, that's okay. You can have time to work it. I wouldn't have used as much, but hey, we gotta watch them crawl. Whenever you're ready, tell me when. A lot of these houses we see, they are beautiful homes. You prime it before you paint your house? Do you put a good pad under your wood floors? Why? I'm protecting my investment, right? So I'm Tom Cruise from MicroGlass. Thanks for joining us today. What we're doing here on this particular job is we're gonna do set and cure today. Set and cure is a pump aid, a trial aid, a pigment enhancer. Extremely helps molecules break down to a single molecule instead of group molecules. What does that mean? A lot of times we see pigment in different pools that are kind of blocked together. That's multiple molecules kind of clumped together. When you put set and cure in the mix, it homogenizes everything. The homogenization process means it breaks everything down into a single molecule. That's going to be very important for color for homeowners and trial guys. Most importantly, it really groups very easily together. So the trial guys are going to absolutely love this today. More importantly, tomorrow for the acid wash, it makes our lives way easier, way more even, way less fallout of rock. All the important things that a homeowner sees. So we're going to eliminate that by this wonderful world-changing product. MicroGlass is the first penetrating curing agent of its kind. It's going to penetrate all the way through the material and change that calcium hydroxide that naturally forms in the curing process of cement. When that happens is where we see check cracks, we see discoloration. It's going to convert that calcium hydroxide that's soluble to a calcium silicate hydrate, glass. Scratch coats underneath. No one's going to see it. It ain't going to slow them down, but it's going to get hard on them quick.
How many MicroGlass pools have you done in your life?
Like me, 2,000, I don't know. I've done a lot. Once we found out about this, no one in California is doing it about it. The product's been out for 15 years. Why do you do MicroGlass? Is because you're taking your problems away. Let's go chemistry-wise. On a 20, 30-year-old pool, it's gonna have a lot of chemistry go through that pool on a weekly basis. When it being surrounded in glass, what happens is if we over-chemical use, we use more chemicals than we need to, or we underdo it, it starts to build scale, or it gets very aggressive. That's when it starts eating your cement. And that staining is getting deeper, 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 almost impossible to get out. But we can still have all the same problems with MicroGlass, but it can't eat through, it's only on the surface. Cannot get through, so you can remove it much easier. But many, many years later, as that cement starts to get eaten, you're gonna lose rock, you're gonna lose pigment, which is your color. You're gonna start to lose that faster and faster. Being MicroGlass, it locks all that in. So now if I lose color and I have to wash that off, my color's still there, it's just underneath the scale. Now I can clean this pool without hurting this cement. Once you convert it, it's there for life. It's a one and done process. It's juice like pudding, but it won't accelerate on them. If he backs off the calcium, it would be better for him, but they want to get in and out as possible.